Last class we had a problem with shadows. Okay, shadows were not coming actually. Let us see why they are not coming. See, everybody remembers now lights. Everybody remember lights?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so and everybody can see my screen properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So actually, see, we are going to get shadows. Only thing is, we have to change one setting here. And turn off this caps lock, okay? Just a minute. Some problem we are getting. 1 minute. I think my system got stuck. Okay, let me close everything. Okay, so let us take a solid here. Okay, we'll take a solid and make it as a composition size, and let me create a text here. Okay, and then turn off the caps lock. See, always turn off the caps lock. Able to understand, everybody? Okay, and scale it big, and then we will turn on these 3D options so that we can open what? We can open lights. Okay, we create a spotlight here. Okay, and then we want a shadow for our text. So we can get that shadow. So we have to turn on this cast shadows option on. Okay, and then for where we have to turn on, see in this material options. Okay, and then what else we can do? We have to also turn on the shadow options for the lights. So see here. Okay, they are already on here. Okay, but then still are we able to see the shadow? Are we able to see the shadow? See, now we are able to see the shadow, right? When I went to two views, can you see the shadow?
Yes, sir.
See here. Now we are able to see the shadow here. And we'll do one thing. Actually, we want the shadow to be on that bricks wall. Okay, so we'll take that brick wall actually. So what we can do is, see, the brick wall right now is behind everything. So we can use it as a blending mode here. So we can use a multiply blend mode. See, can you see? Okay, is it clear? And this, let's try to increase it. See here, can you see the shadow now?
Yes, sir.
Everyone? So we can create a shadow in this manner. See, first thing is we have to take a solid. Okay, and we'll also try to increase the this radius or cone angle, you can say. See, we want a bigger. See, now it's now it's bigger, and let me try to move the text. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Okay, is it clear? So see, this is actually this bricks is not in 3D. Okay, so we have to make it as a 3D also. See, all layers should be in 3D. Is it clear, all of you? All layers should be in 3D. See, now you can see. Now we can see the shadows. Okay. See, now we can clearly see the shadows. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See, and we can also animate the shadow. And how shadows will animate? Shadows will animate if you animate the light. See, if you animate the light now, the shadow will move. See, I will just keep it here. Okay. So how to animate the light? See, just will select the position. Okay. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now we will just go to the home button, click on the home button, and then we'll hit the space bar here. See, so you can see how shadow is animating. Okay, now shadows are also animating, and if we try to move the light back side. Somebody has come. Bharat.
Yes, sir.
ఏమైంది ఇంత లేటు? లేట్ ఎందుకు వచ్చావని అడిగాను.
షాప్కి వెళ్ళండి సార్ అందుకని.
ఓహో, vaccine. See, everybody has taken vaccine.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So I think see, one thing means, how many of you are going to come to our institute on 1st of July? 1st of July. How many of you are coming to our institute? Nobody is saying anything.
Sir, I'll come on 3rd.
And what about Bharat and Vishwanath? Nitin, I
First,
think you will not come, right? You will not come to institute.
No, sir. After second dose.
Okay. Second dose is very far away, na?
Yes.
Okay. And okay, Vishwanath and Tejaswini, you will come? Tejaswini,
I'll come.
Tell me.
I'll come on 3rd, sir.
And what about Vishwanath?
Sir, I am trying to for vaccine, sir, but vaccine is not available for me.
Vaccine, see, our institute is providing vaccine here. Our institute persons are providing vaccine. They will also provide transport, they are saying.
Okay, sir, we will try.
You ask, you talk to our management.
Okay, sir.
Management is saying they will provide vaccine for students also. Better ask them and get the vaccinated at the earliest. Okay. Right. So now we understood how the shadows are going to animate here. Okay. And we can how we can add one more lighting. See here. Simply we can right click and we can say one more light. This time I am going to use a point light. Okay. Point light. See. And see, point light is also casting shadows here. So what we can do? See, for point light I can see, for point light I have turned off the shadows. Are you able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Only now shadows are only for what? For the spotlight. Okay, this shadow is only for spotlight. See. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Okay, but we got additional lighting by adding a point light. Okay, you can actually reduce the intensity. See, I am reducing the intensity of the point light here. Is it clear, all of you? Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so here see we have done complete lighting animation here. In case you want to give a different color to the shadow, see, you can give. Okay, how to give color to the shadow? See, actually you can actually use this darkness option. Okay, see, shadow darkness. Okay, so we can is it affecting or not affecting? So it is taking time, I think. Okay, oh sorry, I'm changing it for this point light, sorry. So for this spotlight. Okay, so what is that? See here, shadow darkness. Can you see that? Can you see the shadow darkness?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see, now we have a light shadow. And if you increase it, see, if you increase it, now we have a dark shadow. And see, the diffusion is there. See, diffusion is like it makes the shadow very soft if you increase the diffusion. Okay, are you all getting my point? You can see the edges. See, edges are becoming very soft. Is it clear, all of you? Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, look at the edges here. Edges of shadows. If you want to control the edges of shadows, see here. Okay, you can change these diffusion settings. See, now you have a very soft shadow. Edges are very soft. It's almost like giving feather. Is it clear, all of you? If diffusion is 0, we are having a sharp shadows. Okay, right. So this is how we can see apply shadows to our images. And one more thing I want to tell you. So you can actually do a combined animation of lights, shadows and camera. So now we will also add one more camera here. Okay, right click new and camera. Okay, so just click OK. See, now I have also added a camera here. So where is the camera now? See here. Is it clear, all of you? So you can actually see the light. You can actually check the camera and lighting position. Okay, see here. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Okay. Is it clear? So your light and camera both are animating. Okay. And one more thing I want to tell you all. Okay. See here. Here, why shadow is appearing? Because I have taken one solid layer. Are you all getting my point? Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So because I have taken a solid layer, shadow is appearing. Okay. So always try to use a shadow and try to use a solid layer, and also combine it with another layer, that is this image layer, and use a blending mode. Okay, so that you can see shadows. And only if you see, and to get the shadows for the text, it is compulsory to turn on this cast shadows option. Are you all getting my point? If you don't turn on this option, you will not get shadows. Okay, and you should also turn on the cast shadows option for lights also. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we understood what is how to apply shadows. Okay, and how to control the shadows. Okay, now let us do something more. Okay, so I will again come back to two views. One view, and let me actually, okay, let us create a new composition. Let's close this. Hey, how many classes are completed? Anybody can tell? Nitin, Tejaswini, Vishwanath. How many classes did we complete?
Sir, this is 7th. I guess.
Huh?
This is 7th class, I guess.
7th or 8th? Nitin, you don't know?
No, sir.
So I think you are not counting. This is the 8th class, I think. Okay, I will check and tell. Okay, right. So see, I will tell you one interesting option today. Okay, that is shatter. Okay, so I will tell you what is shatter now. And also I will give you an assignment in this shatter, all of you and everybody has to show me. Okay, is it clear? So what is shatter actually? See, you can create a animation like creating a cracks on the surface of the text or even image also. So you can apply this shatter to images also, not just for text. Okay, are you all getting my point? So
Yes, sir.
how we can apply shatter? So you can simply right click effect, and you can see if you want to see, if you think that searching the shatter where it is in all these options, see, you can go to simulation and shatter, but you don't remember this. It's very easy. The easy method is what? What is the easy method? Go to effects and presets and type shatter. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what you can do? Simply select the shatter and drag it on top of this text. Okay. See, the moment you apply shatter to this, what happened now? So see, you have to hit space bar now. See, I am hitting space bar. See, can you see the change? Can everybody see the change? Nitin, Tejaswini.
Yes, sir.
See, we
Yes,
have
sir.
now what did we achieve now? So we got some something like a explosion, okay? Some kind of explosion, no? Some bricks getting scattered, okay? So here we will try to understand the settings here. Okay, it's okay that we have applied the shatter, but we have to change certain settings. So by default, when you first apply shatter, you will see here wireframe plus forces. Okay, first thing that you see here is wireframe plus forces. Means this will tell us how our icon is, the shatter icon, how it is looking, and how where it is, the position and the appearance of this shatter icon will be visible when you select the option wireframe and forces. Okay, this is in this view here, and we will change this to rendered here. Okay, are you all getting my point? We'll change this to rendered. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Now see, if I hit space bar, see what happens. See, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See, we got a broken text effect. See, and we have an animation here. But this is a very heavy animation. Okay, so it's better to work in half resolution. Okay, because I think the system might sometimes crash. Okay, so now let us see what are the other options here. Okay, see, first thing is we'll come back to the this wireframe plus forces. Okay, and next comes, see here, next comes here options are there. Here plenty of options are there, so many options are there here. So what are these options? First option is bricks. So this is a default pattern option. Okay, default option. So when the option is bricks, okay, when the option is bricks, you can see all these bricks. Okay, you can see these bricks falling. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Means the cracks appear like bricks actually. The pieces appear like bricks. Okay, but we can change it to different other pieces actually, other patterns actually. For example, if you select this octagons and squares, see now if you hit space bar, see, now you are getting this like octagons and squares. Okay, is it clear, all of you? And let me actually keep it to rendered again. Okay, so now let us hit space bar. Okay, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
See here. See, octagons, and there are other things like eggs. See, now you will see some eggs type of things. Okay, but actually the interesting one will be, even though you can check all these things, okay, but the most interesting thing here is the glass. See, this is very interesting. Okay, see, like the glass pieces. See, you can create a glass piece effect. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See, okay, now we'll change some more options here. Okay, see, this right now the cracks are very big, very big crack is there. So let me reduce the size of the cracks. Okay, how? See, we can actually increase the repetitions here. See, now the cracks are somewhat small. Is it clear, all of you? See, can you see this? See here. Just look at the cracks. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, and then come to the force radius here. Force 1 radius. But let me tell you one thing here. Whenever you are changing the values, make sure that the resolution in which you are working is not full, because your system may crash or it may slow down actually. See, even in half resolution, my system is actually is slowing down. Okay, because these options are very heavy options. Are you able to understand, everyone? Okay, so now what is the next thing we can do? So let me go to the wireframe and forces here. Okay, see here, you can see that blue color icon. Can everybody see that blue color icon?
Yes, sir.
So we can, this blue color icon is very big right now, means it is covering the entire composition. Okay, so we can reduce the size of this icon. How? By changing the radius values here. Okay, so if I change the radius value, see, now this see, now the blue color icon is very small. Now if you come back to the rendered, okay, so it's now very small. So let me slightly increase it. Okay, see, now it is little bit big. Okay, let me hit space bar. See here, now it is affecting only this part. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See here, it's affecting only this part. And what else I can do? See, I can even make its radius even smaller. Okay, now see, it's only, see, can you see the change? So it's 0.09. Okay, we can make it a slightly big. Okay, even I think 0.10 is better, right? Okay, see, is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And you see these pieces actually. Okay, these pieces are right now they are actually 2D pieces. They are actually 2D pieces. Means if you want some depth for these pieces, you can actually increase this extrusion depth. See, can you see this? Now the pieces are having little bit depth. Are you able to understand, everyone? the pieces are like 3D pieces. How they got to that? See this one, by increasing this, okay, by increasing this one, okay, by increasing this extrusion depth. Is it clear, all of you? Huh?
Yes, sir.
So like this. But see, this option makes it very heavy. So let us not keep it too much, okay? Okay. So then now, what else we can do here? We can animate the position here, okay? So we can animate the position. See, I am going to move the position here. Which position? This force 1 position, okay? I am going to keep it here, okay? And then let me turn on the stopwatch, okay? Let us go to 3 seconds. Okay, is it clear, all of you? And let's come to here, okay? Is it clear? So now see.
Yes, sir.
See, can you see the change?
Yes, sir.
See, it's all pieces. And if you don't want this to be too big, the crack to be too big, let us reduce the radius even further, okay? 0.06, okay? Let's see now how it looks. Okay, 0.6 is very small, I think. So let me keep it to 0.9. Okay, see, 0.9 is better. See here. See here. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
So you can do a lot of interesting movie titles with this shatter. Yes or no? Nobody is saying anything.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So 0.07. Let's keep it to 0.07 radius. Okay, nothing. I think it will start with the. So even this one is not enough, okay? So I think we have to keep it at least a minimum of 9. So here strength value is also there. So you can increase the strength also, see. If I increase the strength, you can see the change. See what happens. See, it's very fast. If the strength is high, it's breaking very fast. Okay. Is it clear, all of you? And if the strength is very small, then what happens? See here. Now this strength is only 1 here. Able to understand, everyone? Strength is high, it's very fast. They are going very fast. Now they are going very slowly, and also they are falling down. See, there is also another interesting setting here. See here, physics is there. Physics. What is physics? You have learned physics in your high school, right? Oh, yes or no?
Yes.
See, in physics, what is the most important thing? Gravity. See. So if gravity is 0, what happens? See here. See, right now the gravity setting. Just look at the gravity setting now. Gravity is 0 now. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So gravity is 0. Okay, so that is why it's coming like this. Okay, let's keep it direction as 90. Okay, see gravity direction. Okay, or let's say 0, and let us increase the gravity. Okay, see the pieces are all going up. Are you all able to understand?
Yes, sir.
The pieces are all going up, and we can also do interesting things by changing the viscosity. Okay, see, let us see what is viscosity here. See here, see, can you all see the change? If you increase the viscosity, what happened? See here, they are not falling. And I can also change the gravity setting here. See, now see, just like cracks on a wall. Able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
And let me increase the strength and see what happens. Strength is high, viscosity is high. See the difference. They are not spreading, but when viscosity is high, they are not spreading. Okay, because strength is high, and if the strength is minimum 3, it looks just like this. Okay, that is the thing. And if you reduce the repetitions, okay, see here, I am reducing the repetitions here, so you will see bigger cracks now. Is it clear? Okay, see how many combinations. Just look at the combinations here. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
And let me try to increase gravity here, and let me try to increase the gravity direction. Okay, okay, and also I will again reduce the viscosity here. Okay, see, I have reduced the viscosity now. See, and let us increase the strength. See how they are flying away. See, okay, so we'll do one thing here. Okay, so what is that one thing? See, I'm going to take a duplicate of the text. So how to take a duplicate of the text? Anybody can tell?
Control D.
Control D. Okay, so we can actually, I can remove the shutter for this second text. Okay, and let me give it some color here. So which color will give? I will give yellow color. Okay, okay, so now you see here. See, can you see the change? Is it clear? Okay. So is it clear, all of you? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
So actually there is a pre-compose option is there. Okay. So okay, what is this option actually? So some problem we are getting, 1 minute. Okay, this option is not working. Okay, I will check this later. It's not coming here. Okay, decompose. It's not working. Okay. Is it clear? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See the
Yes,
pieces
sir.
here. See the pieces here. You see they got a depth. These pieces got some depth. Okay. See here. Okay, so these pieces got some depth here. See here. See, just look at the depth. Whenever I increase the depth, so you can see the depth. See. So how we got the change? And if you want to do the reverse animation, anybody can tell what we can do? So we have to select these keyframes, and then what else we can do? Keyframe assistant,
Time frame.
time reverse keyframes, right? Okay. See, something like this means ulta animation. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Right. So see, there are many interesting things that we can do. Okay. For example, you can do some not see here we are only applying this effect on a this part on it what you call letters, words or text. So let us say if you want to apply the same thing on some human on face or videos or human beings or like this animals or okay. So what we can do now? So let us see. Let us try to use this shader option on especially on green screens. Okay. Is it clear, all of you? See, let me take a green screen footage actually. Okay. See, I have a green screen footage actually. Wait a minute, let me go to the YouTube. So we'll say green screen because we want only let me okay, we can take this. Okay, let us take this. Okay, so we can take this. Just we will remove these values. Okay, and let us select this MP4 and then let's download this. Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so now we have downloaded this. So where is this downloader? Actually here, in downloads folder. Let's open it. Okay. Okay, now I will ask you one question. You all have to tell me how to remove this green screen.
Key light.
Key light.
Advanced key light.
Yeah. Just type key light. Okay, here spill suppressor is also there. Just drag it. Just it's not picking the color or some problem is there. Okay, so system has some problem here. It's taking a lot of time. Okay, let us see whether we got the right result or not. Okay, okay, so we can actually okay, it should be completely okay, it should be completely it should not have any extra colorings, and you can also turn on this spill suppression. Okay, we can also use this screen shrink and grow. Okay, so I think it's not showing nice. Okay, let's move it down. And you can make it edges soft. Okay, is it clear? So what is the problem here? I think we got a problem here. Clip is, I have not checked the entire clip. It's moving in one direction only, na? Here. Then what's the problem here? Okay, let us see. I think we got a problem. let me reset everything. Okay, let me reset. Some problem with the video actually. Okay, the problem is with the video. Okay, MP4 video, not with anything else. Keying is perfect.
Let's check the downloaded file. Maybe while I downloaded it got glitched or something.
So it is looking perfect here.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this is looking perfect actually. Why it's not coming properly then? Wait a minute. We'll use normal keylight, let us say. Some fault with the okay. Some MP4 files have a problem, I think. Let me check one more file here. Let's see. Okay, this one looks nice. Even this is also Lion one. Because last time we have done one that reporter, right? I don't know where that file. I lost that file actually. Okay. Let's open it. I think this is not opened up. Okay. Let's keep it in on desktop. Okay, so we'll say Lion green. Okay, now we will open this and see. So problem with the footage here. Mostly I think so. So where is Lion green? Nothing is there. Oh, here. Okay. Is it clear? So even this is having a problem. So let me check it from here. Okay. Alt and click here. Okay. So let me come here. Let's click here. Okay. Let us how to go to the end frame. Anybody can tell? End of the layer. Nobody can tell?
O.
O. Okay. And N. Okay, and then right click, trim come to work area. Okay. Right. Next, now we will first remove this one. Okay. We'll use key light. Okay, let us see. Okay, now it is better, right? We can increase the screen gain. Okay, let's put this one only, right? Because this is working fine. Let us use the other one only. Kill spill suppression. Okay. Then okay, we can remove that extra green, and then what else will do?
Screen mat.
Screen mat, huh? Okay, screen mat is also okay. You don't have to be worried about too much black is not there. Okay, anyways we can. Okay, now it's perfect. Let us come back to the final result. Pink color is coming. Okay. Okay. So we got it like this now. So now we will apply a shader effect to this. Okay. Are you all getting my point? So I am going to apply a shader effect to this, and we'll before applying shader, so we'll just get one this forest ground. Okay, forest ground. See, something like this. Are you able to understand? We'll get this, which is nice. This is better, right? But okay, this is better. So I am going to get this. Okay, then I will open this in where? Come back to the After Effects. We'll say forest ground. Okay, and we will put the lion. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, then see the now the lion is sitting on the ground, and we will apply shader to this. Okay, and I think the background is a little bit bright. Okay, so we will make the background little bit dim. So how we can do that? So we can use here we can, in effects we will be having a brightness contrast. Okay, see, I think you all know these things in Photoshop. Remember, we have already covered these things in Photoshop. So same like Photoshop. So we will apply this to this, and will let me reduce the brightness of the forest here. Let me make it a little bit okay, dim. Okay, right? Okay, is it clear? Is it clear, all of you? Okay. Now we will apply shader to this. Okay, how to apply shader? Tell me. Just select the shader and let me apply it. Okay. So did we get anything? See, we can actually change this direction. See, change the order here. Okay, So we can change the order layer here. Okay, so why did we not get anything here? Is there any problem? So let me change it to glass. Let me change the radius here. So let me keep it wireframe and forces. And let us change it to repetitions. Are you getting anything? No? I think you are not getting, right? Because why? Okay, let me change the order here. So it has become very heavy. Okay, so system has become very heavy. So let me okay, it will come actually. Okay, so I'll say lion. Because the system has become very heavier. Oh shit. Okay, so it's not applying to the lion. Some problem we got. It should say actually it should apply. Okay, shadow should affect the line. Let me increase the lion's size. Okay. Okay, so now let us apply the shadow. So why it's not coming actually? Let us see why it's not coming. Because it should come. Okay. See, it's not that it applies only to the text. Okay, it will also apply to the images. Images also it will apply. Maybe the problem, see the problem might be one thing. We can take image sequence. Are you getting my point? Let us see. Let us take a image sequence. Okay, let me first or let us first apply it to this and let us see, check. Okay, see, it is applying to the forest because it's a JPG file. Are you all getting my point? Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay, let's do one thing. see, let us try to see. I am going to create a image sequence out of it. Okay, we'll make it as an image sequence, and then I will apply shader to this. Okay, so how to make it as an image sequence, how to render it as an image sequence. Now I want you people to tell me. Okay. How to make it into an image sequence? Nobody can tell. So PNG sequence. Okay. So let me.
RGB plus alpha.
Yeah. We did not keep it all RGB plus alpha. Okay. Keep it. Okay. That's very important. Okay. And then we will save this. Okay. We'll save it. We'll say lion. Okay. And then we'll save. Okay. And then we will just render this. Okay. So now we have rendered this. So now let us say whether we got it or not. D drive. And I have saved it as a lion. Okay. So we'll select this PNG sequence. Okay. And then we will create a composition out of it. Okay, let us not create a composition. Let us create a composition out of forest. Okay, create a composition out of forest, and let us keep this image PNG sequence on top here. Okay, are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
So now let us apply the shader to this. Okay, but now I think the shader should work. See, now it's working. See, are you able to understand? Previously it was not working because it was an MP it was an MP4 file. Okay, so it does not work on MP4 files. So that is why we have to render it in as a PNG sequence and then try to apply. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we'll do, so we have to select what? We will select glass. And we want more pieces, means what we have to do? So we will increase the number of pieces. We want tiny pieces. Okay, right? Are you all getting my point? And then we want to see, and then we want to change the position here. Okay, see, and also see the radius here. Just check the radius. See, the radius is very big. Let us keep it small. Okay. So I have reduced the radius. So what will happen? Means how much distance it should cover. Are you all getting my point?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So like this, and you can increase the strength value. It should be very fast. And then we will try to animate it. Okay. Keyframe the position. And then we'll come here. Okay, and then so like this. Okay, then actually we'll also keyframe the radius. So see here, see how it is going. And we can actually do one thing. So it means we want to see the lion for some time, right? Are you all getting my point? We want to see the lion for some time. So what we can do? So we can actually move these keyframes a little bit away here. See here. Keep it here. Okay. Are you all getting my point? See. And see, one more thing I want to tell you here. See, actually the footage is very small. Are you all understand? So it's actually a very small clip here. So if you want the clip to be, see the pieces also, now the pieces are very small pieces. Okay. So if you want the clip to be a little bit long, so what we can do? Let us see whether we can increase the time by using this time warp. Are you able to understand?
Yes, sir.
So here there is a time warp effect. Okay, so we can actually we can reduce the speed here. My system is getting slow here. Just a minute.
So you're working in full resolution.
Yeah, wait a minute. So you can actually you can use this time warp to control the speed. Means increase or decrease the speed here. Okay. So what will happen is actually it will say it's it has become very slow. So if the speed is 100, it is very fast. Okay, but actually there is even a better option here. Instead of this one, actually in older versions of After Effects there was an option, actually time option. Okay, now in this latest versions they have not included that. They have just made a something called time warp actually. Okay, what it will do is, see, it will actually increase the size of this one. Are you all getting my point? Increase the size of the layer here. Okay. Okay, time stretch. I think they have changed the name, I think. Okay, time stretch. Right. So see, it was not a time stretch in the older versions. So okay, are all able to understand? See, now the shader effect is gone here. Why? Okay, now we will apply this. So now see, I have lengthened the duration of this clip, okay, of this footage. Okay, now let us try to use the rendered here. Okay, and then again we will use what? We will use glass. Okay, see, then again what we'll do now, we want the pieces to be small. So what we can do, okay, pieces are now small pieces. Okay, and then what else we can do now? So we will now first we will go to the wireframe and forces and see this blue color, this radius, we will reduce its size. So how to reduce? Here radius is there, see. Okay, and then see, we can keep it over here. Okay, then what else we will do? So we will animate these values. Okay, come till here. Okay, and then keep it here. Is it clear? So now we will see, check the rendered here. Okay, see, are you able to understand, everyone?
Yes, sir.
See, something like see, in some movies they will show you, na, they will that some creatures will disappear. Okay, and here you can do one thing, you can increase the radius also. Means if you want the completely hide this lion also, so here you can put the this one, and you can move this. So you can change its direction to this side also. How? Just by using the position value. Okay, see here. So it will totally so it will totally vanish the entire lion. Okay, are you able to understand? It will totally vanish the entire lion here. See here. Okay, is it clear, all of you? And if you want it to start a little bit late, what do you have to do? Let's open these things. Let's move all the keyframes a little bit ahead. Okay, little bit here, because we want to see the lion. Okay, we want to see the lion also. And one more thing I want to tell you all. See here. See here. Here we have something called a motion blur. Can you all see that motion blur? Tejaswini, Nitin.
Yes, sir.
What happened here?
Yes, sir.
You did not have breakfast or what? Nobody is Nitin, what happened? Nitin.
Nothing, sir.
Okay. You did not have your breakfast or what? So see here. Just turn on the motion blur. So it's like a fade out effect. Okay. Okay, I will show you it. But it's a very heavy one. Okay, we can also do one thing. I can say force motion blur. See here. Can you all see this? Huh?
Yes, sir.
Just if you apply this, so it's see now how it's fading. You see here. It's a very heavy one. See here. Actually, see, if we are in the institute, right? So there we will be having that green mat. Okay, so we can take our own videos okay, by standing in front of a green man, and then we can use all these effects. Getting my point?
Yes, sir.
See here. So here what here actually if you have more shatter pieces, okay, but actually see the reason why I am not increasing this too much is so the system may slow down. See, already the system is has become very slow. You see, even when I kept it so even when I kept it half here, so it is very slow. See, now see the number of pieces will keep it 300, okay. See here, now you can see the change. So it's almost so dead slow here, see. See, so many pieces. Are you all able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, see how much slow is it's taking. Right. So actually see my system is my system has higher configuration compared to even our institute systems, okay. Still it is taking lot of time. See, and that is also even after keeping this. See here you can see I have kept it half, still it is taking lot of time, okay. Right. Okay. Right. So I think all of you got understood now. Okay, understood about shatter?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Right. See, because I can't show you completely because it is taking lot of time to render, but I think you got the idea. Everybody got the idea.
Yes.
Right. See, see what I suggest you is, see, you have to create. I will give you one assignment for the next class. So use the word. See, use the word. See, use the word ruins. Okay, use the word ruins and ruins along with the historic background. Okay, what is historic background? What is the historic background? Say something like Egyptian. You all know na, Egyptian or something like Indian, ancient Indian, old Indian. Are you all getting my point? And you have to use that background and you have to use that, do this text, this word ruins. Getting my point, everyone? This is your assignment, I am telling you. Nitin, Tejaswini.
Yes.
Okay, and create a shatter effect. Okay, create a shatter effect. Title: try to use camera and lights also. Okay, So you have to use this word ruins with a background, okay, with a historic background, and you have to create the shadow effect title. Try to use camera and lights also. So this is your assignment for the next class. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so everybody has to show me this. If you want to take a screenshot of this, you please take a screenshot. Right. So now let us see some more interesting things here. See here. I'm taking one solid here. We'll create it a white solid, okay. Okay, and see, there is something called CC starburst. Okay, where is that CC starburst? So if you can't find it here, see, mostly it is in simulation. See here, can you all see this?
Yes, sir.
So we can see, we can create something like a galaxy or snow or something like that. See, so I have created a solid layer, and see here now, see. So this is like a something like a the star field or something, okay. And what we can do is, see, I can reduce the speed here, okay, 0.03 here, okay. See, the speed is now very less. See, now they are all moving with very slowly. Are you all able to understand? So what we can do with this, see, you can create a space like scene, okay, space with or a sky with a lot of stars, okay. See, you can actually reduce the size. So now they look like a small star, see. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See, so something like a, you can create something like a, okay, I will show you, like a space. See, now it's looking like a space. We can do one thing. I will just type on. So if you want to, we'll go to Google. So we will say space font, okay. Let us say we can get any space font. See something like this. Chopsticks. So which one is nice here? So this is nice, right? So we will then we'll create a folder, space. Okay, then we'll just paste it. We will extract it. Okay. So then we will install it. Okay. So what is the font's name? Remember, Fast Hand. Okay, its name is Fast Hand. Then let's open it. Let's create the text. Okay. So what will type? We'll type space. And what is the font's name? Fast Hand. Okay. Is it clear, all of you?
Yes, sir.
See here. Right. So if you want, you can make it a little bit italic. Okay, it will look nice. Okay. See. So now we'll make it more interesting here. So how we can make it more interesting? See, we can apply this Vegas effect to this. How we can apply Vegas effect? So we can just type Vegas here. Everybody remembers Vegas?
Yes, sir.
So simply we can drag this Vegas, okay? And let me keep it, okay, here. And also along with Vegas, we will also apply what? Glow. See, okay. So we also have glow and also this this one. And we will also do one thing here. So we will see here, actually we can reduce the segments here, okay? See here, I am making the segments here, and you can also try the you can increase the width. Can you all see this?
Yes, sir.
So it is also having
Yes, sir.
the see, it is also having this. See, now we will do some small animation here. So how we can do rotation? So just we will create a keyframe for rotation, and then we'll come to the 4th second, and then we will just increase it, okay? So now let us see. See, can you see this? Okay. And I will do one more thing, that is, so we can actually reduce the opacity for this. Okay, not opacity, I think if you reduce opacity, again there will be a problem with this this one actually. So here fill and stroke are there. Okay. So we can give some gradient to this, okay? So we can give a gradient. See, simply layer styles, and we can see we have given a gradient here, okay? And then in the gradient, so which color will be nice? Anybody can give me suggestion? We already have this blue color, this Vegas effect, right? So we will
Yes,
take something opposite of blue is yellow, right? So we can take orangish color.
This is good, sir.
Okay. And CD, I think we see you can see the see that effect, but I think the color of this, why the color of this is changed actually. Let me keep it to a different color. Why we lost the color? That's a big question mark here. What happened to the color? Okay. So we can see we can select certain things here actually. Okay, I will discuss about these things later. But first thing is, see, I want the color. Why we lost the color here? See, even though you can see that
Because of the gradient,
because of the gradient,
maybe.
Okay, let us see. Or the gradient has okay, now we got, so I am keeping it to multiply. Okay, see, now you are able to see now you are able to see, but actually that's color of that
Sir, we changed it, right, to pink. The Vegas is pink now.
So now it's blue, right? Our actual color was blue. Okay, actual color was blue, but blue is going away.
Yes.
So we can if you try to put multiply, even though you can see that, so you can see that, but still it's see, now you see, can you see, I have put that exclusion, it looks very interesting. See,
Yes, sir.
see, everybody can see. I have
Yes,
changed the blending mode to exclusion. See, and if you want it to be very slow, what you can do? Try to increase this. So you can also make it one more interesting things. You can select these keyframes, right click and keyframe assistance. You can use these things also. See, ease in, ease out. So what is ease in, ease out? Okay, so it means they start very fast and slow down in that, or they start very slowly and become fast, gradually increase their speed. So if you want that kind of effect, you see, you can use these things. Are you all getting my point?
Yes,
See,
sir.
it starts slowly and becomes fast. See, like this. See, you can use the you can create some nice interesting space, and if you add a camera, it will be more interesting. Okay, see, we'll make it more interesting by adding a camera to this. Okay, is it clear, all of you? Tejaswini, what happened?
Yes, sir. I'm there.
Okay, very good. See, if you have any doubts, you should ask me here. Okay, suggest we will try to animate the camera here. Okay, so just we'll position it. Okay, and then we'll come to the second. Okay, and then we'll come back to the single VC. Suggesting. Okay, is it clear, all of you?
Sir.
So let's give some nice music to this. Okay, so we'll go to YouTube. So let us say we'll say that Star Wars music. Okay, so we'll say
For just $67, you can make as many videos as you want, and you never need to pick up a camera.
are you able to hear anything? It's very low. Okay, we will take this music. Okay, okay. Are you all able to understand?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this music I will add to our this one. So let me keep it on desktop. Okay. So how we can keep, double click on this, go to the desktop, select this. Okay, see, can you see that it is looking like a galaxy?
Yes, sir.
Vishwanath, are you able to understand? Vishwanath is there. Bharat is there.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
What happened to Vishwanath? He's gone, huh?
No, sir.
Okay, so you have to create a title, something like this. Able to understand, everyone? See, by what is your next assignment is after shatter. Say create a title. Okay, create a title, Antariksh. So the title's name is Antariksh. You know what is Antariksh?
Yes.
So you have to use this title Antariksh and then use it with Vegas and a CC Starburst. Okay, and also try to use camera. Okay, camera animation. Okay, is it clear, all of you? So this is your second two assignments. What is your first assignment?
Shatter.
First assignment is shatter. In shatter, what is the example I gave?
Ruins.
Simple background.
Ruins. Okay. Okay. So this is the thing. So see here, and also try to okay. So till animation you have to create. Okay, means N, you click N here and then click on this trim comp to work area. Okay. Okay. Is it clear?